Absa Mauritius is the first bank to launch an artificial intelligence-powered humanoid robot in Mauritius. Tell us about the journey to conceptualize AB, the digital personal banker.
At Absa Mauritius, digital is truly at the heart of the transformation strategy. And when we wanted to bring self-service banking to Mauritius, we just didn't want it to be a kiosk lying somewhere. We wanted it to be truly revolutionary. And which is where, when we were thinking of the solution, we thought of it as a truly phygital solution. We wanted to give it a human touch. So we wanted to mimic a lot of things that our branch staff do today. For example, when a customer walks in, we smile and greet at the customer. So we introduced face recognition. We also wanted it to be super intelligent. So we powered it with artificial intelligence so that it can recognize our customer intents and can answer intelligently. Customers like to chat when they're in the branch. So we gave it voice commands. What more? The humanoid can actually navigate autonomously to any of your banking staff and they can help him. So we really wanted to create this wow customer experience through this revolutionary channel.
You talk about providing a wow customer experience. So can you explain the features and functionalities of AB and how it will enhance the experience of your customers in concrete terms?
Yeah, indeed, AB truly provides a wow customer experience, and I say this because our registered customers at branches can now just walk into a branch. AB recognizes them with their face. They're required to enter a passcode, and then they can do transactions, banking transactions such as account balance, account statements, update mobile number, email addresses, perform any fund transfer, domestic or international, pay bills, pay credit card bills, top up their mobile, and the list goes on and on and on. And guess what? AB can also answer any banking queries that our customers may have. So our customers really do not have a reason now to step into a branch counter and stand in a queue. So they can bid goodbye to the long queues, and AB is extremely customer friendly. And that's where we say it provides a wow customer experience.
Should customers feel safe when interacting with AB? Will their personal data stay secured?
Absolutely. So at Absa Group, we have state-of-the-art technology to ensure our customer data is absolutely safe. All our communications are encrypted. Not only that, there is no customer data that is stored on the local device. Any special personal information or any personal information is stored at our state-of-the-art secured data centers. So customers can absolutely feel safe while interacting with AB.
What progress did the introduction of AB bring to the banking industry in Mauritius in terms of digital transformation and artificial intelligence?
Well, I'm proud to say that at Absa, we are the first ones to introduce artificial intelligence to the banking world. We truly believe artificial intelligence can solve a lot of customer problems in a very big way. So artificial intelligence, when combined with IoT, can do things like, for example, face recognition, for example, work on voice commands, do pattern recognition, understand intents, do natural language processing, do things such as mobility and navigation. And there's a wide variety of application that AI and IoT can or machine learning can solve. And Absa embraces these emerging technologies to solve real customer problems.
When we talk about banks employing robotics in branch operations, we believe that humanoids will perhaps end up replacing the job of the bank's employees one day. What is your take on this perception? Will AB eventually replace your employees, or will it be used to support your staff?
Yeah, so the idea is definitely AB not replacing humans, but the idea is definitely to take the robot out of our staff or out of our human. And why I say this is there is a lot of mundane repetitive transactions that are done by humans today. Not only is it prone to error, but it also consumes a lot of bandwidth and time. We want to replace all of this with machines and interlace our whole branch experience or our customer experience with things that machines can do so much better, while humans can aid it with things such as emotional intelligence, intuitiveness, deepening relationships with our customers, which we humans are equipped to do it so much better. So the idea is really to combine the best of the both worlds.
What is the future and vision with this type of innovation? And will it be able to do as it becomes more and more sophisticated?
Yeah, so I think technology is taking great strides. Specifically, we are seeing a lot of maturity coming in AI, in machine learning, in Internet of Things, and we believe it truly has the potential to revolutionize customer experience, to bring great efficiencies in terms of banking operations, and the applications are huge. Right from, for example, solving the problem of customer recognition, to doing transactions in a more straight-through manner, to crunching the timelines, to doing predictive analysis. I think the possibilities are limitless. And we at ABSA are embracing this new technology, these emerging technologies, in a very big way to make the customer experience truly revolutionary.
What is the way forward for ABSA Mauritius in terms of digital innovation?
We at ABSA Mauritius are very, very ambitious when it comes to digital transformation. We've already seen ABBY, which is probably a Mauritius first and even a global first. But what we're going to get to Mauritius right now is chat banking on WhatsApp. We are also very proud to have introduced very recently a digital onboarding experience for our corporate customers. It's one of the most complex journeys that one can imagine when it comes to digital onboarding, and we've solved it for our customers. We have solved the instant payments for our customers, and we are ready to solve a lot of customer challenges through the digital transformation. And I can assure you here that ABBY is just the beginning. There is a lot to unfold.